Are you looking to earn an extra income on the internet? Then this tutorial is for you. I am going to teach you how to create an account on Metroopinion. Metroopinion is a platform whereby you can earn up to $2.5 per each question answered. I log in on Google and search for Metroopinion, and from the options provided, I click on sign up. Yes, I'm a fresh user, so I click sign up. So as I wait for it to load, I explore. And there we go. Paid service, earn money online, work from home. That is Metroopinion for you. So we take a look around and get to know how you make money on the platform. Yes, we scroll around and move up to start the whole process. You can receive payments with PayPal and other platforms. So I click start here. Let's ignore the ad. And these are the details required to open the account. So I enter my Gmail, and that is it. That I input in the space provided. And I also provide a suitable password, a strong password that will protect my account. I repeat the password and then I click register. Once register is clicked, you'll be redirected, and congratulations, you are one step close. So all we have to do now is open our email. So I check my Gmail. Yes, you have to open your email used for a confirmation link. So that is what I'm going to do now. I check Gmail, and from all my emails, I think I used Nina Official, so that is what I'm going to search for. I log on to Nina Official, and that's the confirmation that we have the Metroopinion. I open the email and then I confirm my account. I click on confirm your account. Then I'm redirected to the website. So once redirected, you would have to log in to confirm account creation. Yes, so I log in as you see me doing now. You use the email you used once you were signing up and the same password you used. So I input my email here. Yes, and then I move to the next column to input the password as well. So once done, I click on log in and see if the account was created. So I'm asked to verify whether I'm human, and I'm selecting all traffic lights. Then I click verify. Yes, so I'm asked further questions. My gender, I select male, and I agree to the privacy notice or terms and conditions, and I update the account. So this is a new account, and hence there is no service. These are the list of countries that can use the platform. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel for more. See you soon.